Hey everyone, so to kick off this new series on my channel, my first review on an HO scale locomotive will be a Walthers Trainline F40PH HO scale RTA paint scheme number 138. So let's get this unboxed. So, the things that it comes with are horn hook track type couplers, as well as some handrails and separately applied details, a warranty card, and instructions on how to apply the separately applied details. So let's get into the locomotive itself. So as we get up close here, we can see a nice red and white pattern on the nose of the locomotive, black stripes, a blue P5 horn, legible number boards, a Kadee knuckle coupler, a separately applied snowplow. The roof detailing includes textured fans and a textured horn, as well as various rivets. On the side, it includes the village and city information, number, Regional Transportation Authority logo and lettering, as well as the nice RTA baby blue paint scheme with the red and brown striping. On the back, no handrails are present. However, the RTA logo is there, as well as a backup light and two 138 number boards. Now let's take a look at some of the separately applied details. It comes with a black handrail, which is not applied because the F40PHs on Metra and RTA did not have these. Another part of the back handrail. A few other separately applied details would be cylinders and shock absorbers, as well as handrails that you can drill into the body to apply. I have not done that yet, however I will soon. So that is all for today's video. I would like to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in my next video.